Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Mimi and I'm going to share to you another video on how to make my homemade condensed milk from cooking cream. So I'm using the brand from Almarai, but this is not a sponsored brand. I'm just showing you the available cooking cream which I have. So first things first, we are going to sterilize our jar so it will get preserved longer. And we are going to dry it on a towel. So next is we're going to put 3 cups of our cooking cream in a pot. You can also put all 1 liter, equivalent to 4 cups. But since I used already some of the cooking cream, so we are just going to follow the 3 cups. This recipe is for 3 cups cooking cream. Then we were going to add 1/2 cup of sugar, white sugar, and then 1/2 cup also of milk powder. So you can use any brand of milk powder which is available to you. And then next, just mix it. You can also use whisk for this, so the sugar and the milk powder will be dissolved. And then if you will see lumps, it's okay, so because we can strain it after. So after that, we'll just put it in a low medium heat and then continuously stir. So just continue mixing it to prevent burning under. And then I'm using a wooden spoon because it's much better to use while stirring it. So this will take approximately like 20 to 30 minutes in cooking until you get the best consistency. So it must be liquidy, not so thick. And then after, we can strain it. So if there is lumps, it will be strained. And also if you get a little bit burned under, it will also get strained. So after this, we are going to cool it down. You can mix it using the whisk, so it will cool quickly. Then we are going to put it on our jar. So it's better to put it in our jar when it's already cold enough. Then that's it. And you can store it and put it in the fridge and then preserve it. So when you do your sweets and other desserts, so you will have your own homemade condensed milk from cooking cream. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do like, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell. And also just leave a comment if you want to be shout out on our next vlog. And also I would like to thank all my super chatters and members who share their generous amount for supporting my channel, and thank you for keeping me inspired in sharing more videos and vlog. So thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye. Keep safe.